My name is Renner, and today I'm giving you a tour of the shelves in our TV studio right behind where I film every program. And today I want to show you this fragment of granite. You say, what in the world is that fragment of granite? This fragment of granite is very important. You can see that it's broken from something. One side is polished, the other side is chipped. You know where this is from? This is from the old base that held up the massive statue of Felix Dzerzhinsky, who was the leader of the KGB during the days of Stalin, when persecution was fierce in the Soviet Union. And that statue stood in front of the KGB for decades, and when people saw it, they thought of this monster of a man who ruled all of Russia and terrorized people, including many believers. Today, he's laying on his face in a park, and the base that once held him up is gone. But the day they pulled him down, I was there. It was a historical day, standing right in front of the KGB. I watched them pull down Felix Dzerzhinsky, and as they began to break up the big base made of granite, I ran and said to the workers, "Can I please have a piece of that?" And I remember them saying, "You're the only one that has asked that question. Why would you want a piece of Felix Dzerzhinsky's statue?" I wanted it because it is such a fulfillment of Scripture. The Bible tells us in Psalm 2, verse 4, that God sits in the heaven and laughs at those who think they are in charge. And in fact, it says at the end of the day, God is the one who's going to have the last laugh. Today, Felix Dzerzhinsky is laying on his face. Jesus is Lord. He is still in control. And every time I look at this fragment of granite, I think about the fact that Jesus really is Lord over all. And that's why I have this piece of granite on my shelf.
Wow, wasn't that a great video? My friends, would you please subscribe, like, and comment under this video? Please do that. It will help us reach more people with the gospel of Jesus Christ.